It's your girl Dominica, back with another video. You can find me on all social media platforms at Dominica J. Please take a second to like this video, and if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified each time I post a new video. Today I'm going to show you how I made this money cake for my son's graduation party. Let's get right to it. And as you can see, this foam circle wasn't as tall as the rest of them, so what I'm doing right here is I'm using some foam board to go ahead and glue a few pieces to it to make it taller. I'm using some black glitter cardstock that I use to cut down to fit each foam circle. You can use whatever it is you have on hand, whether it be construction paper, regular cardstock. Recommend using a cake board under your money cake. I intended on using one but didn't realize I had used my last cake circle for another project and I didn't have time to run out and get any, so I would definitely recommend that for your project. I was in a rush when I was making this, trying to get this done before my son came home. It seemed like every time I started working on this, he would come in the door and I'd have to hurry up and put everything away. But I would recommend using like a large rubber band around the money before you tie the ribbon so this doesn't happen. I was so annoyed when this happened, but I decided to leave the clip in just to show you that when I'm making my projects, it definitely doesn't always go smoothly. I'm securing my ribbons with a high temperature glue gun. In case anyone is wondering how much money this took, this was $1,000 that we gave to our son for his graduation. I definitely wasn't intending on giving that much initially. I did roll the money up with the big marker that I showed you at the beginning of the video, but still ended up spending $1,000. You can definitely do much less. You can cut down the number of tiers on the cake. You can also use like construction or cardstock paper in between the money rolls as a substitute. So there's lots of ways that you can get around cutting down the amount as well. This cake topper that you see me gluing to the top, this graduation cap, I actually made this out of a round paper mache box that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I used foam board as the cap top. Just glued that to the paper mache box, and then I glittered both of those with some Mod Podge, and so that's what I did for the cake topper. And here is the finished project. Needless to say, my son was very happy with his money cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.